Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to enhance your Wix website by adding custom HTML code, or maybe you've got an embed code for a widget or a third-party tool you're dying to use, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add HTML or embed codes on Wix, giving you way more creative control over your site, whether it's for a form, a video, a social media feed, whatever you need. Let's jump right in and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along on your own Wix site. So first things first, start by heading over to your Wix website in the editor. If you're not there already, just log in, pick the site you want to edit, and open it in the Wix Design Editor. This is where all the customization happens, so take a moment to let everything load. Now, once you're in the editor, look up at the top left corner. You'll see an option labeled Add Element. It's usually marked with a plus sign, and it's your gateway to adding all kinds of new things to your site, from text boxes to images, and in this case, custom code. Go ahead and click Add Element. A side menu will pop out here where you want to look for the option marked Embed Code. Rather than clicking, just hover your mouse over this section. When you do, you'll see a few choices appear on the right side. At the top, you'll notice one called Embed HTML, along with Embed a Site and Custom Element. For what we're doing here, whether you're pasting a simple HTML snippet, maybe for a newsletter sign-up form, a countdown timer, or even embedding a calendar, you'll want to click on Embed HTML. Think of it like opening a little window on your Wix page that can show whatever custom code you want. As soon as you click that, a box will show up on your page, and the HTML settings menu will appear, usually on the right. In this panel, you'll see a space where you can paste your HTML or embed code. Maybe you've copied it from another site, or maybe a third-party service has provided you with a snippet. Whatever the case, just paste it here. Don't worry if your code looks a bit intimidating or if nothing appears right away in the preview. Sometimes it takes a few seconds for the embedded content to load, especially if it's pulling something in from another website. At the top of the settings panel, you'll actually notice there are two options. You can add website HTML or code HTML. In most cases, if you're embedding something from an outside site like a YouTube video or a live chat widget, you'll choose website HTML. If you're just inserting your own custom HTML code, code HTML is the way to go. Take your time here, and remember you can always adjust the position or the size of the HTML box just like any other element on Wix. When you're happy with it, hit Apply, and your custom code should appear right where you want it. And that's really it, pretty straightforward, but it opens up a ton of possibilities for adding cool features to your Wix website. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more easy step-by-step guides. If you run into any issues or you have questions about embedding code in Wix, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.